my name is Megan Rose and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, and today I'm sharing with you a mindful yogurt parfait. Why is it mindful? Well, it has specific ingredients that are especially good for the mind. It's got blueberries in it, which have a specific type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, which are especially good for the mind. And then it also has chia seeds in it, which have those good healthy fats, omega-3s, which are especially good for brain health as well. I'll show you how to make it. We start with plain Greek yogurt, blueberries that were originally frozen but now are thawed for a natural sweetener, chia seeds, granola for some added crunch, and bonus crunch, sunflower seeds. Enjoy!